What's up, guys? It's Sean with the Brothers Workshop, and today we're going to be changing the air filter on a shop truck. We have a 2014 Silverado, and from my understanding 2014 to 2018 is going to be the same thing. It's the same body style and all, so that will only make sense. First thing you're going to need though is an 8mm socket, and you're also going to need yourself a regular screwdriver. Next, you're going to need an air filter. You can go to any auto parts store. We go to Napa, let them know what you got, they'll hook it up. Pop the hood, locate the air filter. Undo the 4 bolts. Open the air filter. Pull the old one out. Put the new one in, tighten it back down. Guys, it's that simple. It's really easy.